आलमी शोहरत याफ्ता सालार जंग म्यूजियम ने आलमी यौम म्यूजियम के मौके पर 16 मई से 21 मई एक हफ्ता तवील मुख्तलिफ प्रोग्राम्स की मनसूबाबंदी की है। इस एक हफ्ते के दौरान सालार जंग म्यूजियम में दाखिला मुफ्त रहेगा। डायरेक्टर म्यूजियम नागेंद्र रेड्डी ने मीडिया से बात करते हुए कहा कि इस दौरान म्यूजियम सुबह 9 बजे से माफ कीजिएगा सुबह 10 बजे से रात 9 बजे तक खुला रहेगा।
Vacation, like we are going to open anyway the museum till 9 p.m. and the future plan of the Salar Jung Museum also to open the museums till night, like 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. to the corporates. Like some corporates who are interested, they can book in advance and they can bring their customers, they can bring their visitors to Salar Jung Museum. That we are going to offer in future. And experimentally, this International Museum week made us to experiment with that. So to work out the logistics and also to work out how it will be. And we bothered the press to showcase how the museum looks in night. It is a fantastic, like my personal experience, 3-4 nights up to 9 o'clock we spent in the museum. And if you see the museum with the atmosphere calm, peaceful,